Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time the June qualification round or June weekend battle for the MECC. I did the adult round a few minutes ago, and it went quite well. Great case by our MECC champion Benny Weber. But yeah, I will now do the junior varsity and the varsity level of the MECC. Wish me luck. In a live solve, of course. Yes, time limit start. Download. Let's see. Hello. There it is. Okay. Okay. How often does something appear? Sum minus minus this equals this. Okay. It's basically the same, but with an XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP for this. I don't know. You could probably also use here the left function, but I want to be on the safe side, so to say. Here hints are also matching. Yeah, are matching. And now you know that between means also small, larger or equal, or smaller or equal. Len minus len substitute. Old text is XLOOKUP this in here, returning this against nothing for 4. Yeah, should be fine. Cost of color, so it's basically the same, but you then multiply this with XLOOKUP of the color in here, returning the cost per element. Is this right? Yeah, could be. Yep. It's in between the hints, so it should be fine. So now we need to manufacture scarves. Okay. Let's transpose here the single elements and the costs. And then do a I want my lambdas here. I want to have my lambdas here. Text in text. This is the text. And we want to search for this. And then this multiplied with the cost per element should be 80. Sorry, I'm on the wrong level. Here we go. Okay. Again on the wrong level. Here we go. No need to adjust here. the remaining part should be fine. 28 plus 200 per scarf. Okay. Wow. Yeah, then copy this. So it's sum of those numbers here plus 200 because the production costs are additional 200 per scarf. In between should be fine. I took all the numbers in, yes. Now, thank God, they have not merged here anything. Create from selection equals xlookup this in scarf code, returning city, yes. And here from Vienna, so 48 and 27. Xlookup this in scarf code, returning x coordinate minus this here. And here I want to have the y coordinate minus this here. And then sum of this squared, which will spill. So you can square an array. And then I would use the square root. Of the sum times 1,000, no 100, and this plus 15, and rounded is the answer. Okay. Yes, yes. Yeah, should be. Okay, let's go to the bonus questions. I think all 7 levels are solved, yes. Bonus questions. How many scarves within the scarves data have yellow or as the first element? Sum minus minus this equals y 6. Which there's one city that has the longest name. So equals len of city MECC lookup returning city Kaiserslautern. Which scarf in the scarves tab has the most black color elements? And you want to have the scarf code, so sum minus minus this equals black, in this case S for schwarz, which is the German word for black. In this case it's somehow 7, and 7 is for lint. Yeah, 7 S's. What is the lowest cost to manufacture any single scarf using the instructions from level 5? So elements plus 200. Sum Let's look up this in here. Returning the costs. Plus 200. Okay, here we go. Minimum is 218. How much would it cost to manufacture all scarves? Which is the sum of this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's upload. Junior, action, submit. Choose. Yes. Okay. Took us 11 minutes. I think one of the fastest junior rounds I did. And here, let's see how the Varsity round will go. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you next time. Bye.